My favorite part of my job is definitely when clients learn that they're capable of doing more than they think. A lot of times clients come in here and they've experienced different traumatic events that kind of take away their sense of self, and being able to achieve things and do things that are difficult.
Experiential therapy is group-based, activity-based therapy in which we take our substance abuse and mental health clients and do various activities with them. They are based on building trust, creating better peer relationships, finding their voice and their confidence, being able to practice the coping skills that they are learning in other forms of therapy here at the ranch.
We have high ropes courses, low ropes courses. We do sound healing, meditation, drum circles, yoga, music therapy, art therapy, and psychodrama. Andrew and I do the more adventure-based experiential therapy. Alan is more of the holistic provider.
Holistic is treating the mind, body, spirit, emotions, the entire body. I am trained in yoga and sound healing meditation and also therapeutic drumming. These are practices that have saved my life.
There are many purposes to experiential therapy: creating healthy relationships with their peers, having to work together even with people that you may not know, having to put aside those differences in order to be able to complete the task at hand. Another purpose is to find confidence in themselves, find their place within a group, because a lot of people that come here at this point in their lives, they feel very isolated.
With everything that we do, we talk about what happened during the activity, what it means, how it relates to life outside of treatment, and what we can do moving forward with it. A lot of clients during Leap of Faith specifically, they either think that they physically can't make the climb, or they think that they can't work through the fear. A lot of times clients, they are able to get up there. Right when you jump off, there's this moment of free falling before you actually get caught. And so in that moment, it's out of your hands, someone else has to catch you. Something that we emphasize with the Leap of Faith is no one's ever going to push you off. You have to jump yourself, and you can always make the decision to climb back down.
I had a client say, I feel like I just did hours of therapy. We only did an hour-long meditation session. There's usually 2 or 3 people in the room that are just tears. They're able to overcome, certain things that are going on internally that they don't know how to explain externally. When we walk out to the medicine wheel, there's people out there that have never thought about going inward and trying to find this essence of spirit or God. They walk back and they're like, I think I know what all these people have been talking about all the time.
My favorite part of this job is seeing clients that come in that feel very rejected, create friendships, complete tasks at hand, and overall be able to have fun. A big part of recovery is learning how to have fun again.
I love watching self-transformation in others. Seeing somebody else come out of the dark places that they were in into a space of pure potential and excitement.